Looking for holiday recipe ideas? If so, take a look at what I did for Thanksgiving. You might get some ideas for Christmas, New Year's, Easter, or maybe even next Thanksgiving. If you're curious what a chef makes for Thanksgiving, keep watching. So let's have a look at Thanksgiving dinner. Instead of doing a turkey, I did a chicken. Just like in the video, I did a buttermilk brine and then an herb butter rub. Stuffed it with onions and garlic and orange. Should be good. Here I have my cornbread dressing. And this time for the stock, instead of doing a light stock, I did a dark stock. So I roasted the chicken and vegetables in the oven first. I'm going to do a video on how to make stock the two different ways. So I'm excited to see how this turns out. And I also added the giblets from the chicken. That should be good. Here I have my jellied cranberry sauce, which is turning out to be a very popular video. Want to know how to make that? Take a look at that video. Sweet potato, just wrapped it in plastic, microwaved it on high. Just felt like having that. Here is the giblet stock. So I just boiled the giblets with garlic, onion, carrot, and celery, a little bit of salt and pepper. Put on the dressing or whatever. Here are the oven roasted vegetables. I just did butternut squash and golden delicious apples. Instead of making a gravy, I'm just going to take the drippings and put that over the meat and the dressing. So that's going to be delicious. And I used frozen butternut squash that I had bought earlier and cut up and froze because what I bought recently was not as dark of an orange color as I would have liked, so I don't know if it's fresh. So we'll see how that turns out. Here's mac and cheese, but I did this one differently. I did extra sharp cheddar and Parmesan, no onion, probably about a little over a quarter teaspoon each of black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder in the whole baked mac and cheese, so that should be good. Here I have my skillet cornbread, and here I have my collard greens with smoked turkey wings. So I'm excited. Just so you know, I filmed the intro for this video at 2 a.m. the night of a blizzard. What can I say? I'm turning into a night owl. Happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays, some holiday dinner ideas. And for dessert, 2 pies. Over here, a butternut squash pie. I have a video for this already on the channel. I spice it differently than a normal pumpkin pie. It was inspired by an Argentine dish, so that's good. And this is an egg custard pie. I played around with the recipe. I made one in the past. It wasn't really what I wanted it to be. This one does not have nutmeg. I know a lot of the recipes call for nutmeg, but I did not use nutmeg in this one. So, just so you can see, I'll probably do a video on this one as well. So, happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays. I also made 2 layer cakes, a red velvet cake and a blackberry jam cake. As usual, I made these Southern classics a bit healthier and added my own spin to them while still staying true to the classic recipe. These cakes were amazing, so I'll be sure to have the videos up before Christmas so that you can put these on your holiday table if you want. As you can see, my Southern style holiday meal was a great success. Since I always discuss recipes individually, I wanted to show what they would look like when used as part of a larger meal. I also wanted to show how making small changes to a dish, like using a different type of stock or a different combination of cheeses, can really take a dish to the next level. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, for written versions of all the recipes mentioned in this video, please be sure to visit my website, parnellthechef.com. And don't forget to follow me on social media. Once again, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.